So we're going to finish with our Havok Cloth product. Havok Cloth is actually an entirely standalone technology, so it doesn't require Havok physics, but for us as a company, we're really interested in the geometric problems and the just the core. There's a core root of our technology, which I think Havok Cloth speaks to. So Havok Cloth is a full tool chain and runtime, an artist tool chain and runtime for designing character clothing in real time. So the problem most studios face is they have a lot of these very, very cool characters, and they have to actually animate the clothing. They have to animate the clothing for every action the character does, like hammering or turning or so on. And that's basically, again, a very, with the next gen and the types of games people are demanding, it's just a big task to author the cloth and animate it. So to use a real-time solution, what you're doing is you're able to take your basic character walk, run, cycles and so on, and then have the cloth run in real time to simulate. So any of the transitions between the different animations get handled by the runtime system. So I'm going to hand over now to Steve, and he'll walk through some of the technical features of the product.
So basically we gave this troll demo to our artists and let them rip with the cloth product. And in the same way as the physics is multi-threaded, all of the various cloth instances we see in the troll, I can just bring up an example. 80% of this troll is handled with cloth, and each of those cloth instances can be ran on separate threads, little separate bodies of work. And so it scales very, very nicely in the same way as the physics scales very, very nicely. And we wanted to be able to show not only just cloth in the traditional sense, but also soft bodies, various articles of clothing like the eye patches and the feathers. And it's a very standalone, very simple use of an effect that adds an awful lot to the character just by having a physical secondary motion applied to what the artist would be creating in terms of the animation.